I want to be having sama buddhi, samatva. What should I do? What is the method that is taken up in the next verse, verse number 10? Can we read it? Yogi yunjita satatam Atmanam rahasya sthitah Ekaki yata chittatma Nirashira parigraha Together. Yogi yunjita satatam Atmanam rahasya sthitah Ekaki yata chittatma Nirashira parigraha. Yogi, this seeker, this karma yogi, one who is doing yajnartha for the Lord, working, one who sees himself as an instrument for the Lord, one who sees himself as a servant for the Lord, and Lord is my master. What should he do? Yunjita, yukta. He should try to unite. What? Atmanam. He should try to unite his mind with the higher, with the self. He should try to unite. When? Satatam, always, 24 hours. No. When you are sitting on the seat of meditation, whether 5 minutes or 15 minutes or 30 minutes, during that during that time, my mind must be on the higher. This he should ensure. Oh, okay. Now, where should I practice this meditation, this dhyana? Rahasistitaha. Rahasyam. Silent. Don't tell everyone. Tomorrow morning, 5:30, I am going to meditate. Don't disturb me. Definitely 5:35 they will call up. Have you sat for meditation? Rahasistitaha. Don't tell anyone. Also, go into a solitary place in your room, one corner. Do not go to the park. Do not go to the railway station to meditate. I am a seeker. Starting. I want to learn driving vehicle. Learner. What should I do? Go straight to the highways during the peak hours and start driving? Never. What should I do? A place where vehicles are not moving. Very few vehicles. That is where I should go. And then I should practice. Same way. Go to a solitary place. Don't keep telling everyone. Don't advertise. Don't do it. Go and do. Okay. How should I practice it? Ekaki. In puja and all, I am doing something. My wife will touch me. Punya transferring. I am doing meditation. Sahadharmacharini, touch me. No, not to do that. Ekaki, alone. 15 minutes only, no. 15-30 minutes, alone. Don't call, you also sit, you also sit. No, combine the study. Like that, combine the meditation. No, sit alone. Ekaki. Yata chitta atma. Yata, control. Chitta, mind. Atma, body. Atma is body. With your mind and the senses under control. For that time period. For that time period, body and mind are my vehicles, right? A good vehicle, if I put brake, it should stop. I keep rushing all over through my life. When I put a brake, saying meditation time, it should stop. Okay? So, yata chitta atma, keeping your mind and body under control. Nirashihi, no asha, no expectation. I will sit in meditation. In 5 minutes, Krishna, you should play the flute and I should hear the sound. No expectation, I should hear the flute of the Lord. No expectation at all. See, I am meditating. I will meditate regularly 1 month. At the end of 1 month, I should be able to lift myself by 3 inches from the ground. No expectation. Nirashihi. No desires also. Why? Because if I have desires, I will get up from that place very often. So no expectation, no desires. Aparigraha. Don't take many paraphernalia with you. I am going to meditate. Put that video in front of me. Hello photographer, please take photograph. And music I want to play. Take some system, play music. No, don't do that. If we do that, what will happen is, we will constantly think whether they are all safe, whether they are all safe. If I close my eyes and someone takes it away and goes away, so I will open and see whether the video is still on. I will open and see. So don't do all that. Aparigraha. One boy, okay, one young boy, small child, boy, took one big fat book and he sat down and he opened the book and he said, please take photograph, please take video, 5 minutes clip. Why? Tomorrow if I become great, people must know that from childhood itself I was studying very hard. No, not required. No one needs to know anything. So no paraphernalia. You alone go. Aparigraha. Don't take many paraphernalia with you. These are the things that I should do. Now, what other external preparations I should do? That Lord is saying in verse number 11. 11 or 12? 11. Okay, verse number 11. So let's read that verse. Shucho deshe pratishtapya Sthiramasanamaatmanaha Natyuchritam nati nicham Chailajina kushottaram. Together. Shucho deshe pratishtapya Sthiramasanamaatmanaha Natyuchritam nati nicham Chailajina kushottaram. So how should the other external preparations be? Shucho deshe. Very clean place. Let the place be very clean. Not that I go and sit near garbage bin. Not that I go and sit where some bad smell or something, or even coffee smell keeps coming. Shucho deshe, a clean place. Asanam atmanaha pratishtapya. Make a firm seat and you sit on it. Oh, sit. I want to try a different method. I want to walk and meditate. Walking and meditation will not go together. It will not go together. Like how reading and sleeping cannot go together. Walking and meditation cannot go together. So sit. Na ati uchritam. Don't go on top of some mountain to sit. Oxygen supply may be less, you may not be able to breathe. Or go on the top of floor, parapet wall, and on that I will sit. You will be afraid whether you will fall down. Don't make your asan too high. That you are afraid if I sleep and fall down, will I get a lump on my head? No, don't make your asan too high. Na ati uchritam. Gurudev had said to the youngsters in Hong Kong who went, there is a place called a peak high place where the youngsters had gone to meditate, inspired by Pujya Gurudev, and because they got late, people in the house got panicky. Next day, Gurudev did not scold them or tell anything. He said, need not go to the peaks to meditate. Go to peak in meditation. Right? Very beautiful, right? So that's our Pujya Gurudev. Okay. Na ati uchritam, not too high. Na ati nicham, don't go too low. Why not too low? Because all these crawlers and creepers, they will always come, only go down and down. So because those insects should not be coming, don't make it too low also. And sthiram, sit firmly. Sit firmly. Sit still. Not stressed out, but still. Like how sometimes when we chant, Om Vishwam Vishnu Shatkaro Bhuta Bhavya Bhagat Prabhu, don't do that. Sit still. Okay? Sthiram. asanam. Chaila ajina kusha uttaram. In Sanskrit, you must go from behind. Kusha, first down. What is that? Grass. Okay, grass down. Dharma grass. Grass down. Why grass? Because the chillness must not get on top for you. So grass down. On top of it, ajina. Ajina means some skin. But on skin, if I sit directly, my perspiration and that skin, it will cause itching. So after that ajina, that skin, then on top of it, you put chaila. Chaila means a cloth. In simple words, take your blanket, put a cloth on top of it, that is all. Only darpa mat I want, not required. Don't wait to start meditation to get darpa grass. On top of that, blanket which you have, one cloth, and you sit. And then what should I do? Next verse, verse number 12. Tatraikagram manah kritva yata chittendriya kriyaha upavishyasane yunjyat yogamatma vishuddhaye. Together. Tatraikagram manah kritva yata chittendriya kriyaha upavishyasane yunjyat yogamatma vishuddhaye. Tatra, there, asane upavishya. Tatra, in that asan that you have made, sit. Upavishya, sit. And what should I do? Yunjyat. Quieten your mind. Make it silent. Ekagram manah kritva. After the mind is silent, what should I do? Apply it in one direction. The higher purpose. Apply it there. Ekagram manah kritva. Normally what happens is, our mind can do two things very easily. Number one, think of various things, go on. That it can do easily. Or become completely blank. It becomes blank and I want to sleep. Blank. Sometimes blank. It can become blank or think of many things. This we don't want. What do we want? In one direction, that mind must go. Okay. Now, when will I get up from a place? Suppose from here I have to get up. When will I get up? I can't say from here. You will all say, as soon as the 8:15 time is over, you will get up, that you will say. I am inside my house. When will I go out? Only two ways. One is someone has rung the bell. Or someone has come outside. Some object is passing by. So I go out. Number two is some desire has come from within. Then I will get up to fulfill it. Yes or no? Any other reason for which I will get up and go? No other reason. Same way I have sat down. When will I get up? When some object is passing by. I have sat down. Coffee smell. Object from outside. I will get up. Coffee smell didn't come. From inside me, desire for coffee came. I will get up. These are the two times when I will get up from my place. Therefore, Bhagavan says, Yata chitta indriya kriyaha. Chitta kriyaha, mind going out because of desires. Stop it. Yata. Next one, indriya vishaya going outside. And I saw it. And I knew it. So I get up. Yata. Stop that. Okay, so these two I will not do. For what purpose should I do all these things? Atma Vishuddhaye, in order to purify my own self. What? Purify my own self. I am pure only. What is impurity? What is impurity? We will think on that. Internal impurity. One is, I don't know. Ajnana. Two is, I can't understand. I know, but I can't understand. Doubts are there. I can't understand. 3. I know, I understand, but my experience is not that. I have no experience. These 3 only is called mala. Mala. This 3 must be removed. The first one, I don't know. I have to come to know. Shravana, listening. I don't know is gone. Next one, I can't understand. Doubts are there. Churn your mind. Manana, this is also gone. Next one, I have no experience. Sit for dhyana. Nididhyasana. This is what Bhagavan is asking us to do. And if you do this, then what happens? These 3 are not there. Atma Vishuddhaye, pure. You are purifying your own self. Now, can I mix milk and water together? Very easily I can mix, right? Every day morning we get milk, most probably mixed with water only. Right? Very well mixed. Milk and water get mixed up very well. But if I churn it, what happens is butter comes out. From that same milk, butter comes out. Now this butter, will it mix with that water? It will not mix. Same way, our mind very happily mixes with all the objects in the world outside. Articles, beings and circumstances. Easily, happily mixes. And it is there like that. Now what are we doing? Churn the mind. Can objects touch us? And mind comes up like that butter. Pure. No more can that water, objects touch me. That is how this is. Okay. So the result of this dhyana is to be my own self. In the world, but not of the world. That is the result of this dhyana.